offer's got to be able to catch the eye, get the hand to raise, get them to want to give you a good email address, right? Because, you know, how many of you all have given out fake email addresses because you don't want to get spammed, and fake phone numbers and all that? You got to be able to create something that's going to actually stop the scroll, get the interest in what you want to say. And so some of those things on the right-hand side that I've put are really great stranger offers. Blogs. So if you're not, I am a video person now. I wasn't when I started in this business, and I'm talking about the online business, not just the travel business. I was not a video person. Video is powerful because people can hear you, they can see you, so pretty much all of their senses are working together, and they can immediately make a decision if they like you or they don't, right? Whereas the written word is equally as impactful, right? Because there are readers, people that love to read, they like to consume information in that way. There's audio, there's, you know, people like tangibles. So there's multiple non-marriage type of offers that you can ask or you can create that your client base will be interested in.